Talking about walls and how to edit them. I have a segment of wall here. We can see it in 3D, back to 2D. If I select the wall, it becomes highlighted. Notice I was an arrow tool when I selected it. So get an arrow tool, left click on the wall, you can select it. Or you can draw a window over it to select the wall. Once you've selected the wall, it turns green, and we kind of get these two nodes that pop up on either end here. Just want you to notice a couple things. If I left click on the edge here at the top, a little palette will pop up. And if I left click this edge down here, another palette will pop up. And I'm just hitting escape to get out of that. And if I click on a node, a little black dot here, yet another palette will pop up. So let's kind of talk about what these things are. If I left click on this top edge here, we've got move in the first position, means I can move this wall. If that is highlighted, I can just literally just move the wall just by clicking on it. Next option here is rotate, so I could just pick a point on the wall. I kind of draw out a reference angle, left click, and I'm able to rotate the wall if I wish. And I'm just going to escape out of that. This option here is mirror. So if we wanted to mirror this wall around a certain angle, we'll get to mirror later on, we could do that too as well. That's just sort of creating a mirror image of our wall. So if I ever want to undo something, remember you can hit Control Z on a PC or Command or Apple Z on a Mac, and it will get you back to where you were. And this option here is elevate. So if we wanted to raise this wall up by a certain amount, say 3 feet or something like that, we could raise the wall up. Go to 3D, you can see that wall kind of moved up there 3 feet. And if we kind of cancel out of there, here's this option here, which is multiply. And we'll get into multiply later, but if we wish to spread these walls out in 3-foot increments or something like that, we could easily do that. And draw out a bunch of them, so you can make many walls at once if we like. That's multiply. So I'm going to undo that, get back to my wall here, and let's look at our last option there. I think that was our last option. Cancel. Yeah. So in the next video, we'll talk about what these options down here on the bottom are.